I don't think I have enough time to explain all exercises here, but yeah, at least we try lah. At least first question from mid exam 2020. So what we have to do, yeah, again solve this integral 3 sinus x plus 2 cosinus square x dx. Okay. Any idea what we have to do? I have cosinus and then sinus and cosinus square. Yeah, again, the easiest way is we move, not move lah. We convert everything into maybe sinus because we know the derivative of sinus is cosinus. So we can cancel our cosinus on the denominator. Correct. So change here with 1 minus sinus square x. So I have integral of cosinus x over 3 sinus x plus 2 times 1 minus sinus square x dx. And imagine if I have my a is equal to sinus x. So I have my dA is equal to cosinus x dx. What happened? I have my dx is 1 over cosinus x dA, which give me, I have here, my sinus is a, I have here 2 minus, I have 2a square, and then my dx with cos will cancel out, so I have d, and I have dA. Or if you are expert enough, then you don't have to do something like this. So you also can do like this, d sin x over cosinus x. You also can do like this and cosinus cancel out. So you integral with sinus. But usually if you are not expert enough, then you will get confused if you use this way of writing. So I always use this because I have to teach everyone. So yeah, but it's okay lah. If you want to write like this, it's also fine. Okay, that's the idea. Then what we have to do if we have this kind of integral. Hey, I have integral of minus 2a square. So I don't like minus Saya to minus integral. I think this will be better. I have 2a square and then minus 3a minus 2, right? dA, right? So yeah, again, if you have something like this, try to factorize. What is it? Try to factorize. I have 2. So one of them should have 2. But one of them is a. I mean, try like this. dA. So a times 2a is 2a square. Correct? Then I need minus 3a. So what's again? Hello. Sorry, my nephew coming. Okay, so a times 2a is 2a square. Then I need 3 minus 3a. So I have this one should be minus 1, right? So I have minus 2a. And what? Cannot be, minus 2, this one should be minus 1, but I have minus 1 times minus 1 is 1. So cannot be like this. So I have to change this by 2, maybe this by 1. Is it correct? So I have 2a square plus a minus 4a, correct, minus 3a. And then minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. So should be fine. And again, you know what I have to do. So I have to split into 2. So I change maybe B over something plus D over and to A plus 1. And try to calculate the value of D and the value of D. How to do the same idea. So I have 2A plus 1 plus D times A minus 2 over A minus 2 times 2A plus 1. And again, you try to see the coefficient and try to solve. You get B and D, and the rest just substitution. Okay. Okay. Finish by substitution. And yeah, input the value. That's the rest what you have to do. At least you know the idea, what we have to do, and the rest is just, depend on your exercise lah, how hard you push yourself. I think so. Okay. Any question maybe? I have tried this one and I get the final answer is this. The final answer is ln 3 over 5 plus ln 2 over 5. If I'm not mistaken, you can try, and if you find some mistake and don't get this answer, then just write on our WhatsApp group. Okay. And the next one is this definite integral. I almost ran out of the time. Only 12 minutes left. So bad. Must be faster. Any question up to now? No. Yeah. If you keep silent, I don't know. You really try to follow me or not? Hopefully. But I see there are some students who are not in our class, but hopefully no issue with English for you, hopefully, because this class is for IUP class. So I'm sorry, I should apologize if you are from non-IUP class and you join this class, because we have no choice. Because I'm the coordinator of the tutorial, right? If I try to push you into another class, then maybe the tutor will not allow you. This will be a big trouble, because there is a technical issue from the tutor. So try to make a win-win solution. At least you can learn English with mathematics, or you can learn mathematics with English. But I'm sorry if I'm not using proper English. Okay, any question? No? If not, then we can continue to the next one. Again, I only give the idea because we run out of the time. And if I have, I cannot promise, because several times I try to make some video and I really don't have time. That's the problem. So maybe if I have time to make some videos for the solution, I will upload it in this playlist. So please go here, because it's quite possible maybe I make a video on Monday or Tuesday. When is the exam? Should be Wednesday, right? The exam. I forget. Or Tuesday. Hello. Anyone here? Are you here?
Yes.
Okay. When is the exam for calculus 2?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. Tuesday or Wednesday? Wednesday, right? Should be Wednesday. Okay, thank you. So maybe if I try like to push myself to make some solution. Yeah, okay. I try to push myself to make some solution videos on, if not Monday, then Tuesday, and you can use that link to get the playlist, hopefully lah. But cannot be this weekend. Too many things to do. Okay, next. This is the mid-exam 2020. So I give the idea. For example, like this. Again, if you have a square root and you have a square minus x square, something like this. So I have 16 square minus x square. Then what you have to do, then substitution is 4 sinus u. Okay, why? Because if I try to substitute 16 minus this, I have 16 sinus square u. Should be 16 cosinus square u. So the square root will be disappear. Okay, and I have nothing to do with this. And the rest, I think it should be easy. Okay, that's the idea for lagi ngecek. Okay, good. Hopefully there is no delay for my Zoom meeting. I hope lah. I hope. Okay. Oh yeah. I don't know whether I will upload this video or not, but maybe I will upload it but unlisted. So I will give you the link to for the video today. If not, then I try to make some solution. Then I upload to my playlist lah. ugm.id/KAKLULUS. Okay, this is the idea. And if you try to substitute this, you will have 16 x square is 16 sinus square u over, I have, what's this, 16 cosinus square 3/2, cancel. So I have what, 16 to the 3/2, and this part I have cosinus square, right? And what is my dx? If I have x is equal to 4 sinus u, then dx is equal to 4 cosinus u du. So I change 4 cosinus u du. And this one should be cubed. So I have what? I only have sinus square u over cosinus square u du. And you know this one is tangent, and there are a lot of explanation how to integrate integral of tangent square. So I think I can leave it. And the rest we just try to input the value 2n0 and then done.